The purpose of this simplified sheet set guide is to cover 3 areas. 1. Using a sheet set template to start your project. 2. Creating a path for the template. And 3. Enabling multi-line sheet title descriptions. Step 1. Setting up. First, go to the R drive. Navigate to the Engineering Training Committee folder, then CAD Basics Workspace Guide, and finally, SSM Start Files. Copy the 4 files shown into your project folder, or, if you do not have a project folder but want to practice, create a sample project folder in your student practice folder on the P drive. Remember to paste your files into the project folder or your student name folder. Step 2. Using a template. If you haven't already, launch AutoCAD 2022. Open Sheet Set Manager, click Open, then New Sheet Set. Create using an example sheet set, click Next. Browse to another sheet set to use as an example. Within the R drive, navigate to the Engineering Training Committee folder, CAD Basics Workspace Guide, and finally SSM Start Files. Rename the new sheet set as a Project Sheet Set Template 11XXX Project SSet Template. Change the description if you would like. Store the sheet set data file .dst in either your current working project folder or student practice folder. Click Next, click Finish, and make sure it shows up. Step 3. Importing a layout from the sample sheet. In AutoCAD 2022, open a new drawing. In the Sheet Set Manager window, right-click on Title Sheet and click Import Layout as Sheet. Click Browse for Drawings. In your Job or Student Practice folder, click SFO ENGR-CAD-TRNG Drawing and Open. Make sure the drawing name is checked and click Import Checked. Similarly, right-click General Layout and click Import Layout as Sheet. Click Browse for Drawings. In your Job or Student Practice folder, click SFO ENGR Sheet 1 Drawing and Open. Make sure the drawing name is checked and click Import Checked. Step 4. Renaming and renumbering. This should be very simple from here. In the Sheet Set Manager window, right-click SFO ENGR Sheet 0-G000 and click Rename and Renumber. In the number box, put 1. In the sheet title box, put G000. Click OK. Do the same thing again and right-click SFO ENGR Sheet 1-M001 and click Rename and Renumber. In the number box, put 2. In the sheet title box, put M001. Click OK. Run the REA command to regenerate all. Zoom in to see both the sheet number and the sequence number have changed. The Layout tab is also simultaneously updated. At this point, you'll want to save. Step 5. Updating sheet titles. In this guide, we are not using the 2-line description and 3-line description method. Instead, the sheet title field will be multi-line text enabled. First, in the Sheet Set Manager window, right-click 1-G000 and click Properties. In the description box, put Cover Sheet and click OK. Similarly, right-click 2-M001 and click Properties. In the description box, put General Layout and click OK. Run the REA command to regenerate all. Zoom in to see that the sheet title was immediately renamed. Now, save again. Step 6. Setting template paths and creating new layouts. First, let's set the drawing template path. In the Sheet Set Manager window, right-click on the sheet's root file. Here, it's 11xxx Project SSet template, and click Properties. Under Sheet Creation, for Sheet Creation Template, click on the File Path and right box. Then, navigate to the R drive, to the Engineering Training Committee folder, then CAD Basics Workspace Guide, and finally, SSM Start Files. Click SFO ENGR Sheet 1 and then Open. Click OK, and click OK again. Now, it should be fast and easy to create a new layout using this template. Right-click General Layout and New Sheet. In the number box, put 3. In the sheet title box, put M100. Make sure the file name box also says M100. Click the checkbox that says Open in Drawing Editor and click OK. Double-check the title block to make sure the sheet numbers and sequence numbers are correct. Now, let's enter a sheet title. The text field is multi-line enabled, so you can type long title descriptions and the text formatting will adjust automatically. Right-click 3-M100 and click Properties. In the description box, put "This is multi-line sheet title text field." Then click OK. Run the REA command to regenerate all. You should see the sheet title renamed immediately. Once again, you'll want to save. Step 7. Drawing name change and update on Sheet Set Manager. In the Sheet Set Manager window, right-click General Layout and click New Sheet. In the number box, put 4. In the sheet title box, put M110. Let's pretend you did not see the typo or the extra number 4 and you click OK. To change a drawing name, go to the Sheet Set Manager window, right-click the name of the sheet you want to change, and click Rename and Renumber. Notice that the layout name matches the sheet title, but the file name still has a 4 in front. To rename the file, first, close the file. Navigate to where the file is saved, click on the file once to select it, then again to rename it. Once you've renamed it, go back to AutoCAD 2022 and look in the Sheet Set Manager window. You can see that sheet 4-M110 now has a question mark next to it. To reestablish the link, right-click on the sheet and click Properties. Under Expected Layout, click on the right box and then click Browse for Drawings. Select the file with its new name and click Open. Make sure the drawing is selected and click Import Checked. Click OK. Double-click on sheet 4-M110 to open it and make sure everything is correct. Step 8. Template with general blocks and styles. This template includes text styles, dimension styles, and general annotation blocks. First, run the ST command to open the text style properties window. Under Styles, make sure Swiss 721 CNBT is selected and click Set Current, then close. Run the T command to start entering text. To set up notes, first type your title, for example, Sheet Notes. In the text editor window, click Bullets and Numbering and select Numbered. Now you can type in your notes. Select all of your text and right-click, then select Paragraph. In the Paragraph window, click the checkbox to enable paragraph spacing. To change paragraph spacing, select all of your text, right-click, and select Paragraph. In the Paragraph window, and set the after box value to 0.25, then click OK. Now, just select your note title and click Bold and Underline. Change the text height to 0.1875 and click OK. Select all of your note except for the title, right-click and select Paragraph. Change the after paragraph spacing to 0.125 and click OK. Now, run command dimstyles to open the Dimension Style Manager. Make sure SFO dim ENGR units is selected and click Set Current, then Close. Add linear dimensions to the rectangle. Remember, dimension styles come with this template. The text that appears is small, but can later be adjusted for the correct viewport scale. Let's just delete both dimension annotations for now. Next, let's look at inserting blocks. Run Command I to see the block palette. Here are all the blocks that come with this template. Keep in mind that these are generic. Step 9. Copying drawing entities to the new sheet layout. First, open a previous project drawing to sample from. Select the text, symbols, and abbreviations you want to have in your new drawing. Right-click, select Clipboard, and click Copy with Base Point. Use base point 000. Go back to your project and open a sheet. Right-click, select Clipboard, and click Paste to Original Coordinates. Notice that some entities seem to be missing, but this is not actually the case. If annotations are not shown, click Show Annotation Objects at the bottom of the screen, or run command Anno All Visible and change the value. Run the command REA to regenerate all.